What's up, guys? It's Jeff from Detrailers, and got another gem behind us. This is an interesting unit, and we'll get to why in a second here. But on the exterior, it's just a 6x14 red dual axle. All of our trailers are purpose built, meaning they're made for the equipment. So you know, they take a little bit longer to build, but there's a reason for that. Bracing, axle placement, things like that. So we don't just take a standard trailer and put equipment in it. A lot of people do, but we don't do that. And you know, I don't want to boast too much about Detrailers, but we really do innovate and do a lot of stuff that eventually gets copied. But this one, I actually call it a Tri-Brid because it's a pressure wash, soft wash hybrid, but it's also got a surprise in the back, and we'll get to that. So up front, there's your bleach tank, there's your soak tank. Here's your proportioner based soft wash system, 12 volt, quick release, quick change pump. There's your deep cycle marine battery, and back there is your soft wash reel. And then the pressure wash unit is very capable, 5.5 to 6 gallons a minute, belt drive, and single line on this one. He didn't need dual line, so it's single line, but it can always be converted later to dual line if need be. That's your on-off switch for your burner. Of course, it's hot water. We got 250 gallons of water here, and you can see that hose on the top. That's just his fill hose. We've got an automatic shut off on there, so he can connect his fill hose and do an automatic. It'll do automatic shut off when it fills up. He didn't need a lot of water capacity, so that's why we've got that amount in here. He's going to be on site most of the time where he's got water hookups and didn't want to deal with carrying around a bunch of water. So let's get to the back of the trailer, and we'll see why we call this a Tri-Brid. In the back, surprise, pest control unit. So this trailer will actually do 3 things: soft wash, pressure wash, pest control. The pest control unit was customer provided, so you can see it's used, but we set it up and then we built the rack up and around it. So we've got 150 feet on our pressure wash reel. It'll take 300 to 350 on, I think these hold 350 if you needed to put more hose on it. Soft wash reel, 200 feet on that. That'll probably take another 100 feet if you needed more, but really with a 12 volt pump, 200's kind of where you want to be with that. And then obviously this pest control unit, I think that's probably 150 feet on this pest control unit, but really interesting trailer. But you know, this might not work for everybody. That's a good thing about us. We build so many different kinds of systems, and pretty much each one is custom made to exactly what you need. So if you need something different, let's, you know, call me. We'll talk about. That's the best number for me. Just ask for me. If I'm not around, just leave a message. I will get back to you. Very busy these days, but I can design something out perfect, and we can talk about price and get you something that'll fit. There's many ways to go. Like this trailer is, you know, a lot of flash on the outside, but he kept it real basic on the inside. It's our painted sealed floor and just the bare walls, but we always do the insulated ceilings. And so anyway, yeah, that's that. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Take care.